my truck needs some work, so every now and again I have to use this car just to get some feed. And right now the goats are completely out, so I'm gonna feed them and show you what that looks like for the day. Somehow they're getting out. I gotta figure that out because a few of them are out now. But yeah, they broke the fencing. They opened it up. These are goats for you. They're gonna break anything they can. Sorry, on this little hill slant, so it's a little crooked. Let me see if I can bring it down a little bit. They're going to literally break whatever they can. So, looks like they pulled this fencing out from here. So, this is why I keep trying all the time. Okay, well, now I'm gonna go bring our buck his food, and maybe our castrated goat Judah will come through and walk with me. Good boy. Good boy. Look. Come on. There we go. Got Judah. Got the other goats. I'm gonna bring this over to the boy. Alright, I'll see you guys over there. Yay, Judah's back with the boys. Well, with Marlon. That was the goal. So this is the boys' pen. And we got Judah back over here. So that's a success. Okay, I'm gonna move their feet over to where it should be. Their feeder's a little raggedy, but it works. So we got their food in there. Next up is water. I'll show you guys how the water works. Because they are low on water right now. We have it connected to an automatic water. The boys' pen is pretty open, nice open shaped space. And we have 2 boys in here right now. There's another boy right there standing under the tree. And I gotta move him, but they're so hard to catch. Need some help with that one. So anyway, this is where the dogs were, but kind of let the dogs roam and just let the boys in here. Ugh, Marley, so disgusting. He's in heat. You see that face? Oh, it's so lovely. All right. Everything is on a major hill. Get down. So it's very hard to do a lot of things. Especially when you have gravity working against you and a goat pushing against the freaking gate you're trying to close. A nice size goat with that. There we go. Got that locked. As I walk up the hill, this is where our water comes in. This is a little idea that I had as I was trying to set up our farm, to run automatic water from here so that we never have to worry about if the well gets left on and the water runs out accidentally. So here I run this water from down to the bottom for about a half hour, fills up a good bit of this tank. As you see, it's empty, so they need water. Probably like 90% of why they're making noise this morning, along with feed. So taking care of that, and then I ran 2 hoses from here to there and all the way across to where the girls are over there. So I'm gonna fill up their water now. All right, it's a bit of a process. You can see the goats are all the way up there, and I have to walk down here to turn the water on. And it's like a 3-part process to turn the water on, so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Right here, our pump is down at the bottom of the hill, and right here we have our, what's this called? It's like a water pressure thing. I was talking to a business partner about this, and I guess it's called a water pressure something, and it creates pressure. So when you turn that nozzle down, then, all right, the next step is I turn this nozzle to open it. You hear it coming through. Open it all the way up. And then this one is on, so we're good. All right, next step is we come back up about halfway point up the hill. We were just down there, and turn this hose on, and that's the hose that turns on the water up at the top where our tank is. I'll show you that. All right, and now we've got water coming through. You guys see that there? Takes a little time, but it's coming through pretty good. Sometimes it just needs a little maneuvering just to get it to come through a little nicer. Water's coming through, and now what I do every single time, just to make sure I don't forget, is set my alarm, set my timer for 30 minutes. All right, so this is after a half hour of the water running. We have a good amount of water in here, and all the goats are pretty happy and content. They have their water and their food, and although that seems like a lot of work, that it only needs to be done every like 3 days. So this will last for like 3-4 days of water for the goats. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because we have more to come. We got chickens coming in the mail pretty soon, and we'll be sharing more stuff. So do all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys soon.